Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, if the sound is not coming on your YouTube, so this video for you guys, I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue easily. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, whichever browser you are using, open that up. So in my case, I'm guiding on Google Chrome. So go to three dots here and then simply go to setting options here. And once you go to setting options, you need to scroll down and look for reset setting. So reset setting will restore all the setting to the defaults. As you can see here, reset setting to the shortcuts, disable extension, delete cookies and temporary files, but bookmark, history and saved password wouldn't be affected. So you can simply reset your Google Chrome here or any other browser and check. It should fix the issue now. And once you relaunch once you relaunch the YouTube here, so go to here and make sure the microphone and other setting is allowed here. Go to site setting also, okay, and look for here the sound related, location, camera, okay, sound. As you can see here, the sound, and make sure the automatic is selected here, or you can even allow it, but make sure it should not be muted here. It should be allow or automatic default. Automatic default means it is allowed by default. So this is the way to troubleshoot this issue. But the first way, this is the method, okay. Go to here and then go to site setting. So whichever browser you are using, you can check this setting out and it should fix the issue now. If not guys, so we can go to the Windows level troubleshooting here now. Sometime if Windows setting is not updated and configured incorrectly, so you get this issue. Open the control panel simply and you should be getting this category. Choose here the large icons, and once you choose here the large icons, go to sound option here. And once you go to sound action, check if you are connected with the headphones, so make sure that is not disabled. Let's say if I disable this, it should be down here, so make sure it is enabled now. And if in my case I'm using here the headphone guys, so I cannot disable and enable this, the video recording will be stopped. But you can disable it or you can set the device as default, whichever you are using here. So this is the second method to fix the issue. If still not fixed guys, so we can go to the device manager here. So simply you can go from here as well, open the device manager, and we will update the device manager driver, sound, and make sure your driver is up to date, okay. And also go to sound, video and game controller, and also in here look for Realtek or the other manufacturer and update it simply. Go to its properties and you can update it from here as well. If you are facing this issue after updating any kind of update and driver, so you can also roll back to driver here and check if it fixed the issue or not. If nothing is working, so you can uninstall it, and once you uninstall the driver, you have to restart the Windows and it should fix your issue now. It should automatically come back here. If not guys, so you can simply go to here again and simply uninstall the driver here, right click and uninstall it. And once you uninstall it, go to the Google Chrome or any other browser which you use and tap there Dell driver download, or you are using Lenovo driver download. Go to first link, support, driver upload, and look for here the manufacturer driver. Once you install the manufacturer driver, it should fix any kind of issues related to driver. put here the serial number, and then or you can detect the product, and after that go to drivers and look for manual and look for audio. And now in here guys, as you can see here, click on download option and install it, and simply restart your Windows, and it will surely fix your issue, any kind of other issues as well related to the sound. So this is the fix guys, these are the fix to troubleshoot the issue no sound on YouTube. Hope this helps. Yes, and like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.